Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Acura MDX. The MDX is the third-row luxury SUV that's designed to surpass expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, premium sound system, remote engine start, power liftgate, power passenger seat. Experience the superior handling of this high-performance luxury SUV. Make an appointment to drive one today.